Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every guy's mind at some point: how to get that special girl to think about you nonstop. If you've ever wondered what it takes to leave a lasting impression, you're in the right place. We're not talking about manipulation or mind games, but rather understanding the psychology behind attraction and using it to your advantage. So, grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Imagine this. She's lying in bed at night, and instead of scrolling through social media, she's thinking about you. What if I told you there are specific things you can do that will make her dream about you, even when she's not with you? Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover the secrets that will have her thinking about you nonstop. 1. Be mysterious. Don't reveal everything at once. First things first, let's talk about mystery. One of the most powerful ways to make someone think about you is to leave a little to the imagination. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, there's no reason for her to keep wondering about you. But if you hold back just a little, whether it's details about your life, your thoughts, or your plans, you create a sense of intrigue. She'll start thinking about what she doesn't know about you, and that's exactly what you want. 2. Create shared experiences. Build unique memories together. Next up, shared experiences. When you create unique memories with someone, those moments stick in their mind. It could be a fun adventure, a deep conversation, or even a quirky inside joke that only the two of you understand. These shared experiences give her something to remember you by and to think about when you're not around. The more unique the experience, the more it stands out in her mind, making it more likely that she'll replay those moments over and over in her head. 3. Be a great listener. Show genuine interest in her life. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to get a girl to think about you is by being a great listener. When you show genuine interest in what she has to say, you make her feel valued and important. Ask her about her day, her passions, her dreams, then listen attentively. This creates an emotional connection, and she'll start associating you with the comfort and validation she feels when she's around you. When you show that you care about her thoughts and feelings, she'll naturally start thinking about you more because of how good she feels in your presence. 4. Be unpredictable. Keep her on her toes. Now, let's talk about unpredictability. Routine can be comforting, but it can also be boring. To keep her thinking about you, mix things up. Surprise her with spontaneous plans, send her a text out of the blue, or take her to a place she's never been before. This unpredictability keeps things exciting and makes her curious about what you'll do next. When she doesn't know what to expect from you, she'll be more likely to think about you, wondering what's next. That curiosity is a powerful tool in keeping her mind on you. 5. Master the art of flirting. Subtle yet memorable. Flirting is an art, and when done right, it can leave a lasting impression. The key here is subtlety. Instead of being overly forward, drop hints that make her wonder if you're flirting or just being friendly. A playful tease, a lingering glance, or a light touch can all create an undercurrent of attraction that sticks with her long after your interaction. When you flirt in a way that leaves her guessing, she'll replay those moments in her mind, trying to figure out what you meant. And the more she thinks about it, the more she thinks about you. 6. Show ambition and passion. Let her see your drive. Nothing is more attractive than someone who is passionate and driven. When you talk about your goals, your passions, and the things that excite you, it shows that you have direction and purpose. This is incredibly attractive, and it gives her something to admire about you. When she sees that you're not just coasting through life, but are actively working towards something, she'll be more likely to think about you and the future you might have together. 7. Be kind and thoughtful. Small gestures make a big impact. It's the little things that often make the biggest impact. A small gesture of kindness, like remembering something she mentioned in passing, or checking in on her when she's had a tough day, can make you unforgettable. These thoughtful acts show that you care, and that kind of attention is something she'll think about long after. These small, thoughtful gestures make her feel special and cared for, which naturally leads her to think about you more. 8. Give her space. Let her miss you. As much as it's important to be present, giving her space is equally crucial. When you give her time to miss you, she's more likely to think about you. Absence really does make the heart grow fonder. And when she has time to reflect on how much she enjoys being around you, it strengthens her feelings. When you're not always readily available, it creates a bit of tension and anticipation, which keeps you on her mind. 9. Maintain confidence. It's irresistible. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, confidence is key. When you carry yourself with confidence, not arrogance, but genuine self-assurance, it's incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who know their worth and aren't afraid to show it. Confidence signals that you're comfortable in your own skin and that you're someone worth thinking about. It's a quality that stays with her long after you've left the room. So there you have it, 9 powerful ways to get her thinking about you nonstop. Remember, it's not about playing games or being someone you're not. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction and using it to create a connection that sticks. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use the advice, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of attraction and relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.